Here we are at the end of the road.
What do you mean the end of the road?
The end of the road to Embedded World.
The end of the road, well, let's talk about the road to Embedded World, which actually started about 3 months ago in Asia and worked its way through Asia to North America and then through Europe. And here we are in Nuremberg.
Here we are in Nuremberg.
We are the Embedded Insiders. I'm Rich Nass.
I'm Brandon Lewis, and welcome to Embedded World 2022 here in Nuremberg after a 2.5 year hiatus.
2.5 years, yeah.
Well, it's good to be back. Like you said, it feels like we never left. But this is day zero, as you can see. The hall is under construction, but we were just talking about the fact that is day zero really day zero anymore?
Sorta, kinda. It's day zero because the show starts tomorrow morning and it's a 3-day event. So we've always traditionally called this as day zero, but there's never as much stuff going on as there is now.
Yeah.
This is the only time, if you want to do an event that's more than a couple hours, you have to do it today.
Yeah, and we've got a few of them going on that we're participating in today. I know that there's something from Amazon Web Services, AWS, and then something else from Intel and their Insight.Tech liaison that they have.
And most importantly, we have tonight.
Tonight is...
Drum roll, please.
The Best in Show Awards. We at Embedded Computing Design every year host a reception for the Best in Show Award. Nominees and winners, of course. That's what everybody wants to know about.
We got a lot of entries this year.
Lots of them. Lots of them. And we do use a rubric. It's a 15-point rubric. And we scored all those entries and came away with 3 winners in each of our main categories. If you want to figure out who those are, make sure you check out the embeddedcomputing.com website tomorrow, which is Embedded World Day 1.
That is correct. But we're 6 hours ahead of the folks in North America. But I guess we're 6 hours behind the folks in Asia.
You'll figure it out.
I hope so, because I didn't get any sleep last night because my body said, you know, it's only 6 o'clock. It's not bedtime yet. But what else we got going on here?
Well, what about here at the booth? I mean, there's a ton going on at the booth, which if those of you who are planning on stopping by will be happy to note that we are in Hall 1. Come in, make a left, and we're probably, what, a couple hundred feet now?
Yeah, and this is the booth. We're in the booth. We're actually in the theater that a lot of presentations will be taking place.
Yeah, and some of those presentations include panels on security, predictive maintenance, AI. What else do you have going on?
HPC. Did you say security?
Security.
Foundries.io is doing a presentation.
Edge computing, and more.
And we're giving away 1,000 T-shirts over 3 days.
Yep.
That's a lot of T-shirts.
It is a lot of T-shirts, and from past experience, if you want one, you better get here in the first day or two.
It's a lot of T-shirts, but they go quick.
They go quickly.
Yep.
And probably for those of you who are more technically inclined, which I am assuming is most of you, we're giving away a ton of dev kits this year, more than 50 of them, I believe. Some from ST, like this, which is brought to us courtesy of Intrinsic ID, this Nucleo board. We have 40 plus of these. We've also got kits from
Beagleboard,
Infineon, Greenliant, and I think that's it.
So, am I eligible for a T-shirt and a dev kit, or do I have to take one or the other?
Well, I don't think you're eligible for anything.
Why not?
Well, these are for the engineers.
I'm an engineer.
Well, these are for the
real engineers. Is that what you're gonna say?
These are, you can't. You've got a conflict of interest.
I get it. Employees are not eligible to win. Yeah. Anyway, hope to see you here. We're in booth 121, Hall 1.
Yep. See you throughout the show.